Hello everyone, this is Mr. John, and today we're going to be making pipe cleaner owls. Now bear with me, I am not the greatest at pipe cleaner art, and you might not be either, but that's okay, we're going to do it together. Now, the first thing we always do is gather all of our materials. So that is, we have 2 brown pipe cleaners, an orange pipe cleaner, and you will have a tan pipe cleaner, but I will be using yellow because it's a little easier to see on camera. Now, we are also going to have 2 googly eyes, as you can see, a pencil, some scissors, and some glue. Now, the first thing that we're going to start to do is we're going to take one of our brown pipe cleaners and we are going to wrap it around a pencil. It does not have to be very tight. We can always squish it down afterwards, but we do need to make sure that it's nice and coiled up the whole length of the pipe cleaner, just like that. And it's going to bend really nice, and then you can just slide it right off. Now, we don't want it super wide, but we don't want it super tight either, because we're going to be doing some threading through. So you can just squish it down a little bit so you can still see the coils, just like that. Now, our second step is you're going to take your tan pipe cleaner. I will be using my yellow, and I will be cutting off 3 segments that are the same length as my coil. So there's 1. There's 2. And 3. And of course, always be careful when working with scissors. Now, these are going to be the tan, or in my case, yellow belly of our owl. So we're going to take it and we're just going to bend the ends, all 3 of them, make just a little L, just like that. And then we're going to slide them into the second segment of our owl, just like that. So the coil is the body, and this is the lighter brown belly. And you can always trim up the bottom if you need to. We're going to squish it down a little bit. And there we go. Okay, there's our body. We're already 2 steps in. We're doing great, guys. Now, the next part we're going to do is the ears. So we're going to take the second brown pipe cleaner and we're going to fold it in half, like so. And then we're going to fold it back. We're going to make basically a W, or I guess a better analogy would be an M. We're going to make 2 little owl ears, or bat ears. I mean, I guess we're making owls, so it makes more sense if it's owl ears. So as you can see, they're just 2 little points, like an M or a W, depending on which way you're looking at it. Now, we're also going to fold them up, because these are also going to be our wings. So we're going to take the ends and we're going to fold them up. And of course, an owl has very long wings. An owl is a predator, which means that it hunts for its food, and so it has very long and specialized wings to do that. So now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take it and we're going to push it through the center. We're going to spread it out a little bit, and then we're going to take the wings. We're going to spread them out. And your belly might fall off. That's okay. We can always bend everything back into place. That's the beauty of pipe cleaners. So mine fell out, like I just said, but that's okay. We're going to just pop them right back where they went, because nothing's glued down yet. There we go. So we have nice long owl wings, and we have some pointy ears. And we're just going to get the belly fur nice and tightened up. Oop, there we go. Just like that. And as you can see, I'm not a great owl pipe cleaner artist, but I make it work. So the final thing we're going to do is we're going to fold our orange pipe cleaner in half, and we're going to thread it into the middle, right where we put the yellow ones, and then we're going to thread them all the way down through our coil. Just like that. And this is going to be our beak. So you can make your beak as intimidating as you like. I think owls are very intimidating. And you're going to give it a little curl. And then you're going to take the bottom part are going to be your feet. Owls actually have very large feet because, again, they have to hunt for their prey, so they have to catch it. So I'm going to make big feet, and I'm going to feed whatever is left over right back up the coil. And you can try to make some claws by making some bends in them. I'm not going to do anything too complicated because, again, I'm not great at owl art, but that's okay. You don't have to be great at art to enjoy it, and I really enjoy art. So there we go. Get my second foot, make at least one claw. And there we are. That's better. You can always straighten everything out wherever you like. You can squish it down. You can make the wings bigger if you'd like, which I do like, so I'm going to make the wings bigger. And then the final step, and this is the thing, is the googly eyes. Now, owls hunt at night usually, but not always. They're actually very good sight predators. And so, as you can see, we got some googly eyes, and we're just going to glue those on right there. So I'm going to get some glue on these guys. And I'm going to stick one there. I'm going to get glue on this one. And I'm going to stick it right there. And admittedly, mine is a very silly looking owl. And my glue is not very good, but in a perfect world, both eyes would be stuck on right now, and we would have our pipe cleaner owl. And it's going to look just like that. Mrs. Zolda would have done a much better job, I'm sure, but Mr. John had to step up to the plate today. So I look forward to making and seeing all of your pipe cleaner owls, and I hope you had a great time. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.